just been doing a bit in the kitchen. Within 2 minutes of starting, found these little critters. There's one. There's two. I don't know how many of them I picked up in the last couple of weeks. Not so many frogs, but lizards, newts, whatever they are. Loads of them. So they're just the latest amphibians to be let go by the pond. Right. Morning all. It's a couple of days after finished digging out this little courtyard here, so I'll spin you around and show you the state of things now. So the bricks have dried out a bit, which is nice. I don't know if I showed you that little hearth before, but it's not much of one, but I think it was where a range used to sit. Got a few bricks and buckets and stones to clear up, a little scrap metal pile, and a small stone pile, as well as cobbles, quarry tiles and bricks to move. I will relay the floor at some point. Don't know when. I need to get some more bricks. I don't think I've got enough bricks. I've got a stash in my little reclamation yard around the corner, but I don't think I've got quite enough. So today's job is just going to be tidying up, making tidier piles. I'm not going to move the stone because I might end up rebuilding some stone walls, so I'm going to need some stone for that. So I'm going to leave the stone pile where it is, probably tidy it up a little, and yeah, give it another sweep, and well, that's that really for now. I still haven't done the job I was meant to do. The whole reason behind coming in here was to dig that gully in. I still haven't done that, but that's just how life works, isn't it? So that is that. Right, I'll set you going on the time lapse. You can watch me tidy for a bit, and well, leave it at that. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit.